And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 64. Let me show you how I can create vertical text. We've got the vertical type tool right here. Just press T for this text box, then right click on it and you can select it. Let me type in vertical. And it's already a little bit too much. Let me get rid of the text. I just have the word vertical. You can move it around with the move tool, and when you want to adjust it, use the properties menu. Just make sure that the text is active in the last menu, and if you can't see the properties, go to window and click on properties. And here we can adjust the size, for example. We can give that a different font. I went over this properties menu in detail in the last tutorial, so if this is totally new to you, check out my Photoshop playlist. You can also change the style right here. This VA box is for the spacing between the letters. And you can change the color down here with a swatch. Let me make that red. If you want to change your text, you can just reselect the type tool, left click on the text element, and then let us, for example, add 2 more lines. Now we can adjust the alignment. So this is now top, bottom and center alignment and not left, right, center anymore. You can also just use the type tool and select segments of your text and adjust only that, maybe the second line here. And that's how you can create vertical text in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.